Hey guys, this is me Kareem from English with Kareem, and I'm back with another video for you. In today's video, I want to share with you some useful expressions that you can use for comparing. I know that most of you know how to compare things or people. I know that you know the basic rules for comparing. I mean, for short adjectives, for long ones, bigger than, better than, more beautiful than, more dangerous than. But in today's video, I want to talk about some different ways of comparing. So let's get started. We use as plus adjective plus as to compare two things which are the same. For example, Susan is as tall as her mother. It means they are the same height. We can also use not as plus adjective plus as to make comparisons between things which aren't equal. For example, silver isn't as expensive as gold. And we all know that silver and gold aren't equal when it comes to price. Now, if two things are nearly the same, we use very similar to, or we can use about the same as. For example, the new car is very similar to the old one. Both the new car and the old one are nearly the same. In the same meaning, you can use about the same as if two things are nearly the same. The new car is about the same as the old one. Again, both the new car and the old one are nearly the same. If there's no difference between two things, when two things are identical, we use exactly the same as. For example, my brother's watch is exactly the same as mine. This means there's no difference between my brother's watch and my watch. If there's a small difference between two things, we use slightly different from. The new stadium in our city is slightly different from the old one. It means there's a small difference here. However, if there's a big difference between two things, we use completely different from. For example, the Galaxy S10 is completely different from the Galaxy S4. As we can see, there's a big difference between these two mobile phones. So these were some useful expressions that you can use for comparing. So what lesson would you like me to teach you next? Let me know in the comment section. Bye-bye.